If you are a gadget freak, get ready to be as amazed as I am. And I tell that because there is this wearable piece of technology that can not only make calls for you, but it can provide you with real time information by scanning all of the stuff around you. All of this without an actual screen. I'm not kidding, but a device like this was recently launched by a San Francisco based startup called Humane AI. And the name of the device is called the Humane AI Pin. And it is a tiny wearable device that comes in two parts. So it is a square gadget with a battery pack that magnetically attaches itself to any piece of garment. And Humane AI is founded by former Apple designers Imran Chaudhry and Bethany Bongiorno. So users can interact with this device using voice commands, hand motions, and blue laser projector. Check this out. What are some fun things to do nearby?
Share more moments.
Can we play songs from the last time we were here?
The makers claim that it is a standalone device and software platform built from AI. It's actually quite crazy to think that we have a device that can replace this.
The original video is of Zara Patel and then someone deepfaked it. Like, it's impossible to tell that this is not Rashmika. And now with elections coming up, like, what's preventing someone from making a deepfake video of Prime Minister saying anything?
You're actually in the right for asking these questions, Tanmay. In fact, Meta, Facebook's parent company, has thought this through and they are 10 steps ahead of us. I say that because Meta has come out saying that advertisers will have to disclose when artificial intelligence or other digital methods are used to alter or create political, social, or election-related advertisements on Facebook and Instagram. The company also got into the specifics of what the advertisers will be held accountable for, and that it will continue to use independent fact-checking partners to review misinformation. Big moves, Meta. Hopefully, this should straighten out the issue, especially in connection with election information. So, this chip-making company is planning on adding more flavor and variety to its existing line of products. No, I'm not talking about these chips, but AI chips. And the moment I say AI chips, the first thing that comes to anyone's mind is Nvidia, of course. So, it has come to light that Nvidia is ready to release 3 new AI chips for China amid restrictions on semiconductor exports to the country by the US government. And this is according to a Bloomberg report. So these chips are based on Nvidia's flagship H100 product, and the Chinese companies are expected to receive them soon. But the point to note here is how this restriction is putting a dent in Nvidia's stocks, and it is also affecting its product development and customer supply capabilities. With that, we're wrapping up today's episode. For more such interesting and fresh tea from the AI and tech space, don't forget to subscribe to the AIM YouTube channel.